Welcome everyone to Planet Papas. Today we're going to be walking down Chaweng Beach. Now we're going to do just the beach, but it's a crazy overcast and it's going to pour very soon. So we're going to do a mix and match. We're going to walk down the streets and we're going to head to the beach as well to see how busy it is here in the middle of May. Also had a great birthday the other day and I'm going to put some clips of it at the end. Thank you all for the birthday wishes when we went live. Loved it. And thank you guys for buying me a coffee and doing super likes. So thank you again. So I say that, you, me, let's go! So we're gonna start our journey today outside of Combo. Let's go through Combo. We're gonna do a mix today, so we're definitely gonna head to the beach right now through Combo. I haven't been to Combo for such a long time. Going through the accommodation part, we've did the Combo before, so if you do want to know more about Combo and the hotel, just watch the video on Combo on Planet Papas. And hello! So here we are going through the backyard of Combo. Now Combo was supposed to be this massive place to go and try to give the Ark Bar some competition. We just came outside of Combo to the beach and it is so quiet here that everybody's looking at me while I speak. That's how loud I am. Look how beautiful and calm it is today. I thought it was gonna be windy and rainy, but today is just glass. Wow. So here we are outside of Combo. And I guess we are going to take a good beach walk today. And right beside Combo is the mountain house. It's part of the hotel. Nice and quiet. It's unbelievably quiet. Yep. Just past the Lucky Mother, and now we're coming to the new place that's going to be opening very soon, owned by Loved, but I still don't know the name. And they're building the stairs from the beach to the bar. So in the last stages here, she'll be opening very soon. Alright, we just found out it is called Malacca Hotel. I think that's what he said, I hope, but we'll definitely come back. And when is the opening? Open when? 1 month?
1 week.
1 week?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Cap. 2 weeks, alright. Thank you, Cap. It's great, all the people are helping me. And he said it is owned by Loved, which is here. Loved is a great place to stay. Sort of like a backpacker place. Stay there when you're under 35. I do have to do a hotel review this week of this place. Oh, sorry, next week of Loved. Right beside Loved is the elephant. Very, very quiet today. Only the music is loud. That's it. And right beside the elephant is Love Beach Club. I do enjoy this place. I don't know why. They play some nice R&B hits, and it's easy to sit down and have a drink. Let's go through it. I've done a hotel review of this place as well, so if you want to know more, and if you love Love Island, it is set up exactly like that for you. And you can stay here. The prices are very reasonable, and it's right in the middle of Chaweng Beach. And nobody's here. Other than the guy sawing something. Now today there is a heavy overcast here. It's going to rain. It already started a little bit when we first started combo. It stopped now. And we're gonna see how busy or how rainy it gets at the moment. And right beside Love Beach Club is the Ark Bar, expanding to another level. So right beside it is a new place the Ark Bar is working upon. It's gonna be hotels and resorts. They do have a new seating area that just opened up last week. And of course, the Ark Bar in the middle. So now that we're higher up, we can see the workmanship here. On the third level of the Ark Bar. There's a bar here. Not sure where that's going to be. Another pool area. And the accommodations as well. And the other bars here. This extension just got finished with the pool area. Oh, I only did this slide before. I'm going to show you a new pool area here at the Ark Bar. So all the rooms at the moment are here. The other side is not open yet, but this is where you do stay when you're staying at the Ark Bar for now. And so there's a smaller pool here that just opened up. And this bar area, it's all sealed off today because they are doing renovations. And it's going to be low season this week. As we head through the real Ark Bar. Hallelujah. Just having a chat with the staff. Love the staff here, they're very friendly. Once you come once in a while, they get to know you very well here. Get to know your name. Great people. At the moment, you can stay here on the sunbeds for free. No charge. All you got to do is buy yourself a drink. And be alone. Nobody is here. But not the best beach day. Best way to find out how busy it is for these two hotels. One is the Shiwang Garden Beach Resort, one of the most popular hotels here, right on the beach part. If it is people here, that means it's still busy. These are the hardest resorts to get to and book. So if you are coming around Christmas, January, February, March, definitely do that very soon because they're going to be booked out quickly. And that is the Chaweng Garden Beach Resort. And next to that is the second biggest. It's called Ban Shiwang, B-A-A-N Shiwang. If you do want to learn more about these hotels, all you got to do is go on my channel, type in Planet Papa's Ban Shiwang or whatever hotel it is, and it will come up. And you can see all the details of each place. And passing the Evergreen. They recently did a renovations on this, making a beautiful villa and beach club, restaurant, all covered. And they have great happy hours as well. 99 baht. And one of the most popular places here on the beach where everybody grabs a drink, been here for 10 years now, is Lip Smackers. A nice little cool place, reggae style. Same idea, 99 baht beers. Sorry, beer is 100 baht. Mixed drinks are 99. Cocktails. This is Snorkel Steve, the dog. He does this every day. I haven't seen him for a while. He just goes snorkeling every day. What's up, Snorkel Steve? You alright? What's going on? You good? You find some fish? Nope. Concentration is on high levels. And Snorkel Steve likes to be left alone today as we pass by the next Al's Resort. The good news or the bad news is it is much cooler. The past 3 months have been 40 degrees almost every day. Now it feels like a good 32. Normal temperature finally. That's because the sun is hidden. But the humidity is still here.
Planet Papas.
Yes.
Hi Planet Papas, this is John and Jim from Ireland. Jim is a first-time visitor to Chaweng and I've always loved Samui. So you, me, let's go!
And I'll be back because it's great.
Even on a slow day, you get to say hello to some great people here on Samui. And they just arrived today. So happy holidays! They took down the sign of Mazzaro's and I don't know what's going on. Did they change the name of the restaurant? We don't know. What a gorgeous day to swim. Look at this. Just did a video here last week called Chaweng Beach Resort. They still have their specials. Oh, they took down the room rate, but it does start at 2,000 baht. So better if you look online and get a good deal. And you can still sit here as well. For 80 baht, you can have a drink. And the sunbeds are 100 baht. Oh, there you are. Now in front of Long Beach Lodge. Very quiet. Now in front of Shiwang Samui Resort. Sorry, Bang Resort. Ban Samui Resort. The moon dance. Not too busy. And the red umbrellas only mean it's the library. One of the funnest 5-star resorts you've ever seen, with the red pool. So weather-wise, it has been 40 degrees almost every day for 3 months straight. That's why my videos were just me walking around quickly and show you what's going on. Today is probably the first day that I could walk down here and feel all right. Not too hot, but not too cold either. And the humidity is pretty high. Just checked, with humidity it is around 37 degrees. So it dropped a bit. So look at this, mid-May, you can have the beach to yourself. This whole section could all be yours if the price is right.
Hey, hi Ken. I'm Lorna and I'm from Devon in England, in Axminster, and I've been here a month. I go home tomorrow and I watch you all the time on YouTube, and I suddenly saw you walking along and I had to race after you to catch up with you, but it was worth it. We've had a lovely chat about the different hotels. Here is fabulous. Today is a very strange day, but it's wonderful. And I'm so glad that I'm here, and I hope to come back next year and see you again. So let's go.
Now that's an example of a couple that changes their face when they're on holiday. They love it, and I love that. Great to meet you guys. Have a safe trip home. Back to England. I think she called me Ken. As we pass by King's Garden Resort with no pool whatsoever. And here we are in front of Shaba. Changed the name to Matcha. So if you aren't booking looking for Chaba, you can't find Chaba anymore. It's called Matcha. Got to show you how beautiful the water is today. Very clean. So we're passing 3 places that you can come here even if you're not staying on Chaweng Beach. Lost is probably the best place to park your car. They have free parking. There's 3 places where you can stay, which is front of the massage here. It's 100 baht to sit up front and have a few drinks. And they have 99 cocktails. And now they got the free chair right beside them, the monkey bar. But the sunbeds are 100 baht. So you can fit on these chairs for free, but the sunbeds are 100 baht. And you buy yourself a drink. But then coming up next to Lost, sunbeds are still the monkey bar, which is here, 100 baht for the monkey bar. But then Lost is free. You can park at Lost at the right of the beginning of the right on the main road of Shiwang Beach. Park your moped or car, walk right through, head to Lost for a free fire show at 7 p.m. and free sunbeds all day long. And right after Lost is Ozo. Stayed at Ozo a few times, not mind at all, pretty good. Like the setup, it's very clean, very easy to get through and walk straight from the pool to the beach. And it's still good conditions because Ozo sign is still out there. That means there's going to be no storms coming up this next couple days. In front of Oslo, there's people. There's actually people swimming today. The sign I'm talking about is this one. It's made out of metal. And when we see it on the beach, that means it's good days. And it's not on the beach, that means there's storms coming with high tides. One of my favorite places to stay is Burirasa. Love this place. Really beautiful hotel, resort. Definitely watch the video on that one. Very Thai style, jungly, kind of Balinese style as well. Okay, let's go prove a point again. I met a few people that actually stay here and they say the same thing. There's no one ever in the pool. So we're in front of KC Beach Club. Hey, Snoop Dogg. And how many people are in the pool today? 0. Every time we come here, no one is ever in this pool. Here at KC Beach Club. Hey, got a nice looking lab here. Hey buddy, what are you doing? You gotta swim. Alright. Great talking to you. And a place we haven't seen such a long time is Banana Fansea. We're gonna go out front of Banana Fansea as soon as we hit the next couple places, and we're gonna go on the street to show you what's brand new and coming out very soon. A huge surprise is going to be across the street from Banana Fansea. And Banana Fansea is busy. I was gonna go to the pool area, but there's many people there. Maybe next time. Eating some fresh fish. Sodika. Fish and rice. Very good. Here we are coming up to Synergy. Almost forgot the name. Always quiet at Synergy. It is a big resort. I've done a report of this hotel as well. And Synergy is still going. Big place. So we did all that walking and still no rain. So it was a perfect day to be on the beach, get a bit of a tan, but you could swim all day long and it is hot enough to keep dry and wet and dry and keep going the cycle until you had enough. And here we are in front of where I was yesterday for my birthday. And we're in front of Scene. Yesterday was very busy here. Today, nice and easy. A nice Monday morning, Monday afternoon. On a nice Monday afternoon. Very quiet today. Yesterday this place was full. But it is Monday and I just heard some thunder. And who do we find right in front of Scene is the imposter, the spring roll man, not the original, but still good to have. And he's got the donuts and he's got the spring rolls. Sorry, he's my favorite man. Second favorite. We have a closer look. He's got the fresh donuts going on. And the spring rolls. Ice cream and spring rolls. We're going to do one more spot and then we're going to head back and we're going to go to the main road and show you a new development that just happened. And we're going to finally figure out what it is and you'll be shocked on what they're going to put there. And if you have a couple guesses, it's not a new broccoli shop, it's not a massage place, it's something different. I was going to do a little bit more, but then the thunder came, so it's time for us to go up front, see what's going on, and show you the new thing before it starts pouring. So instead of coming out of Banana Fansea, we're going to be coming out of Scene. We're going to head up to the high road and show you the nice surprise that's building across the street from Banana Fansea. I'll give you an idea where we are. Right behind us was Scene, Avani Hotel. Straight ahead will be the boxing, which is tonight. And here comes the guy screaming it. So if I go left, you're gonna go down to other places such as, oh yeah,
9 p.m. Start at 9 p.m.
Be there. I've been following my channel for the past couple months. They're building this new thing that is huge. We thought it was gonna be a hotel right across from Banana Fansea and Synergy. But they just put up the pictures on what it's going to be. I'll give you an idea how big it's going to be is the construction of it. So I thought this was going to be the biggest hotel ever. But Haven Samui said, nope, we are making another plaza. So there you go. There's Central Samui that is done 4 or 5 years ago, actually 7 years ago, and now Haven has come in and they're going to be building a whole new plaza with a supermarket, restaurants, and of course things to buy and do. And there you have it, another mall needed in Chaweng Beach Road.
Hey, my name is Naveen. This is my first time in Koh Samui and we're just loving it here.
Hi, I'm Yuvraj.
Sarita.
I'm Deepak.
That was our beach walk on this glorious Monday. So thank you for joining me here today on Planet Papas. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll be heading off to Bangkok and to an island called Koh Kud. It's time to discover a little more of Thailand. So join me tomorrow as we head into Bangkok for a few nights. So if we're changing location, you got to change your face. So come with me to discover new places here on Thailand. So take care and see you soon.